So here we have the lesser spotted musket in fronter. It's this red car right behind. They wait until literally the last minute to dive in. BMW, typical fucking BMW, just pull out in front of anyone. Oh, God forbid anyone actually slows you down even. Fucking hell. So here we're going to see a bit of good driving, and also I am drowning out my horrible singing. So there's this car in this right hand lane, and they're indicating left. So what do? I leave a nice gap in case they actually want to move into this first lane for the next roundabout. We see it quite often in this area. And lo and behold, they do. So we're just merrily going on our way. And then we see this car in a very odd position. Now, they probably just got the wrong lane, which happens, it's a common mistake. But I think let's just give them a little bit of room, just in case. So I ease back. I give them room to do whatever they want and gives me room to actually react to anything. Like them being in the middle of the road for the roundabout to turn right when it's, a perfectly good lane and going over the roundabout. And then this happens. Bloody hell, this car's all over the place. Look. I am so sorry for this really bad camera angle. Oh, what the fuck? Where did the fall come from? Because of the lorry on there.
Oh, you almost crashed into that car.
Look, now overtaking on the roundabout.
Undertaking.
Oh my god.
Dangerous. And don't come out this way. Yeah. Good thing we stopped, wasn't it?
Yeah, good thing I knew exactly what they were fucking doing. So I wonder if you can help me out with this one. So there's 3 lines, or 3 arrows, on the road. So this is the left-hand lane, which says an arrow to the left, and the one on the right says an arrow straight. Now, annoyingly, we can't really see the roundabout, but everyone from the left-hand lane goes to the same exit. So you can see all 3 of us take the second exit, and yet the white car to the right of us was in that second lane. Were they in the right or were they in the wrong? Let me know.
At the roundabout, take the 4th exit onto A130 towards Stansted.
Again, I'm really sorry about the bad camera angle, but you can see this flatbed zooming up. They're going to turn right onto the M25, and you see this black Ford in front. they are just going to take up the whole road. Let's have a little watch.
Oh, well, don't get into a fucking crash over it. What the hell is this car doing? She's in the fucking lane.
To be fair, no, was just going in.
Yeah, I know. But then, yeah.
I'm going to
But then
go away
stick
this
to your
car.
lane.
To find out more or book a free hearing test, search Specsavers Hearing.
Play Greatest Hits Radio on 105.8 FM, on digital radio, on the app, and on your smart speaker. This is
Look at this fucking guy, man. Fucking wanker! Cunt! Fucking hell, mate. Impatient fucking cunt. You come in here.
A 409 is closed. Switch into a new route.